Introverts. We find solace in quiet spaces, energy in solitude, and depth in reflection. Our strength lies in our ability to listen, observe, and think deeply. We are the poets, the artists, the innovators who thrive in our own quiet ways, but sometimes our comfort zone can feel like a gilded cage, limiting our potential and hindering our growth. Stepping outside this comfort zone, even if daunting, can unlock a world of opportunities. It can lead to stronger relationships, exciting careers, and a deeper understanding of ourselves. This is a guide for introverts, a roadmap to navigate the world outside our quiet corners and to discover the incredible power that comes with embracing discomfort. Our comfort zone. It's familiar, it's safe, it's where we recharge. It's the place we retreat to when the world feels overwhelming. A sanctuary where we can let our guard down and simply be. It's a place where anxieties fade and we can truly be ourselves. Here we find peace and solace, a momentary escape from the chaos of daily life. But like a garden left untended, staying too long in our comfort zone can lead to stagnation. Without new experiences and challenges, we risk becoming complacent, our growth stunted by the very walls that once protected us. Growth, both personally and professionally, often lies just beyond the borders of what feels comfortable. It's in those moments of uncertainty and challenge that we discover our true potential and capabilities. It lives in the spaces that challenge us, push us to try new things, and force us to confront our fears. These experiences, though daunting, are the catalysts for our development and transformation. Imagine a beautiful garden confined to a small pot. The plant may survive, but it will never reach its full potential. The plant may survive, but it will never reach its full potential. It will remain small, its growth restricted by the confines of its environment. It needs space to spread its roots, sunlight to nourish its leaves, and challenges to make it strong. Only then can it truly flourish and become the vibrant, thriving plant it was meant to be. Stepping out of our comfort zone is like repotting that plant into a larger container, giving it the space it needs to thrive. By embracing new challenges and opportunities, we allow ourselves to grow, to expand, and to reach heights we never thought possible. Every day presents opportunities to step outside our comfort zone. It might be a social gathering, a work presentation, or simply striking up a conversation with a stranger. Learn to recognize these opportunities. They often come disguised as butterflies in your stomach or a hesitation before speaking up. Embrace these feelings. They are your cues to grow. Think of these moments as stepping stones across a stream. Each step, though potentially unsteady at first, takes you further on your journey. Sometimes the opportunity might be a whisper within, a desire to learn a new skill, explore a new hobby, or connect with someone new. Trust these instincts. They are your inner voice guiding you towards growth. For many introverts, social interaction, especially with unfamiliar faces, can feel draining. But genuine human connection is essential for our well-being. It provides us with support, fosters a sense of belonging, and opens doors to new experiences. Stepping outside our social comfort zone doesn't mean transforming into an extrovert. It's about finding ways to connect authentically on our own terms. Start small, engage in conversations with colleagues, offer a helping hand to a neighbor, or join a club or group that aligns with your interests. Remember, meaningful connections often start with a simple hello or a shared smile. Every interaction, no matter how brief, has the potential to blossom into something more. Networking for introverts. Finding your tribe in unexpected places. It might seem like a daunting task, but it can be incredibly rewarding. The word networking can send shivers down the spine of even the most seasoned introvert. The anxiety of meeting new people and the pressure to make a good impression can be overwhelming. The thought of attending large industry events or forcing small talk can feel disingenuous and exhausting. The noise, the crowd, and the superficial conversations can be too much to handle. But networking doesn't have to be a daunting experience. It can be a chance to build genuine connections and find people who truly understand you. For introverts, it's about finding your tribe, connecting with like-minded individuals who share your passions and interests. These connections can be more meaningful and long-lasting. Seek out smaller, more intimate gatherings, These settings are often more conducive to meaningful interactions and can help you feel more at ease. Attend workshops, conferences, or online forums related to your field or hobbies. These events are great opportunities to meet people who share your interests and can lead to valuable connections. Instead of trying to impress with superficial chatter, engage in meaningful conversations. Talk about your passions, your goals, and your experiences. Ask questions, listen actively, and share your own insights and experiences. Remember, authenticity is magnetic. People are drawn to those who are genuine and sincere. By being yourself, you'll attract people who appreciate you for who you are, not who you pretend to be. These authentic connections can lead to lasting friendships and valuable professional relationships. Public speaking, taming the stage fright monster. It's a challenge many face, but it's not insurmountable. For many introverts, the mere thought of public speaking can trigger a wave of anxiety. The heart races, palms sweat, and the mind goes blank. The spotlight, the sea of expectant faces, the pressure to perform, it can feel overwhelming, but remember, every great speaker started somewhere. But public speaking is a powerful tool, one that can boost your career, amplify your ideas, and inspire others. It opens doors to new opportunities and connections. And yes, even introverts can become captivating speakers. It's about harnessing your unique strengths and turning them into assets. Start by shifting your perspective. Instead of dreading the stage, see it as a platform to share your story. Instead of viewing it as a performance, think of it as an opportunity to share your knowledge and passion with an audience eager to listen. They want to hear what you have to say. Prepare thoroughly, practice relentlessly, and focus on connecting with your audience. Remember, authenticity resonates. Your genuine self is your greatest asset. Let your passion shine through and your voice will be heard. Embrace the journey and watch as you transform into a confident, compelling speaker. Career growth, stepping up and standing out. In the workplace, introverts often excel at tasks that require focus, creativity, and deep thinking. However, our tendency to shy away from the limelight can sometimes hinder our career progression. Stepping outside our comfort zone is crucial for showcasing our talents, advocating for ourselves, and seizing new opportunities. Don't be afraid to voice your ideas in meetings, even if your voice shakes a little. Volunteer for projects that challenge you and allow you to shine. Seek out mentors who can guide you and provide support. Remember, your contributions are valuable and your voice deserves to be heard. The confidence boost, unleashing your inner dynamo. Every time you step outside your comfort zone, you achieve a small victory. These victories, no matter how small, accumulate over time, building a reservoir of confidence that empowers you to take on bigger challenges. Remember that first time you spoke up in a meeting, the first networking event you attended, the first presentation you aced? These were all milestones on your journey of growth. Embrace the discomfort, celebrate the victories, and acknowledge the strength it took to overcome those challenges. Each step outside your comfort zone chips away at the walls of self-doubt, revealing the confident, capable individual within. Personal growth through discomfort. Embracing the unknown. Stepping outside our comfort zone isn't just about career advancement or social prowess. It's about personal growth, about pushing our boundaries and discovering hidden depths within ourselves. It's about trying that new hobby you've always been curious about, traveling to a new country, or simply saying yes to an invitation that scares you a little. These experiences, though potentially uncomfortable at first, broaden our horizons, challenge our perspectives, and enrich our lives in ways we never thought possible. Remember, growth doesn't happen within the confines of our comfort zone. It happens when we embrace the unknown, challenge our limits, and open ourselves up to new possibilities. Small steps, big rewards. Celebrating every victory. Stepping outside our comfort zone doesn't require drastic overnight transformations. It's about taking small, manageable steps, one at a time. Start with something that feels slightly uncomfortable, but not overwhelming. Perhaps it's striking up a conversation with a colleague, attending a small workshop, or trying a new activity. As you become more comfortable with these smaller steps, gradually increase the challenge. Celebrate each victory, no matter how small, and acknowledge the progress you've made. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself, embrace the process, and celebrate every step you take outside your comfort zone. Conclusion: embrace the journey one step at a time. To our fellow introverts, embrace the quiet strength that resides within you. Your thoughtfulness, your empathy, your ability to observe and reflect, these are gifts. But don't let your comfort zone limit your potential. The world needs your voice, your ideas, your unique perspective. Step outside, explore, connect, and grow. Embrace the discomfort, celebrate the victories, and never stop learning. This is your journey. Embrace it one step at a time.